Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit.
We was lit. And then
champagne all over my $1,000. Each one of those cushions is $1,000.
he was not having it.
You gotta act like you fucking been here before.
Yes, brothers and sisters. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I I. And all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Share that one and like it, Rasta. You know, see, just like all the last one, as you see the caption and the title. You know, see. So, you see, Usain Bolt share some really exciting news, Rasta. You know, see it? Yeah. I man feel like a proud, a fan. Who isn't a fan of Usain Bolt, really? I mean, where you could have come from? And that I think about it is that probably it's not I utterance what caused this. Probably this did not making it looks that way as well. Probably, you see. But again, we speak it to power, speak truth to power. You see. Positive word take on flesh. And there's so today. Even if it's a case where you see in both hear what I say and do this, I respect the humility and the love and the genuine, grown up man maturity in the era. Because enough people that fly and go on like so well in a disrespect and them above reproof or above criticism or instruction and things like that. You see? So, in any which way where we come to this today, it's a joy and a blessing. So the exciting news is that Usain Bolt has registered, copywritten, imposed in famous pose. Saying, yo, he said that pose there alone sell anything, sell a sliced bread. You know, see, if you could have make some toaster, we have that pose there in it and sell them. Sell off. Everybody have one of them toaster there in them house, Usain Bolt. You know when them done toast them bread and you that post pan it, yeah, them toaster there, sell off. Trainers, shoes, whatever, anything that touch a goal. And you know what make it again worse? Britain me there, I can tell you no. Me not ask, me tell you no. Jamaica, our Prime Minister and politician, them not interested in any form of innovative development for Jamaicans. Probably because they're comfortable with the takings where they get from wherever they get it, the thievery where they go on with, and the seal where they have Jamaica pan. You know, see, because you see the flag pan any brand sell hot bread, particularly in the summer in Britain, when you have various Caribbean and Jamaican thing go on. Jamaica government, them just, cause them could have balanced that, open a factory, 2-3 factory. You know, see it, wanna make shoes, wanna make this, wanna make that. Maybe Kingston, St. Catherine, and Miguel, Jamaica, Clarendon, where people from Manchester, St. Elizabeth can come get work. St. Catherine people can come at Kingston, St. Thomas people, Portland people, and the whole thing. You see, they have a certain amount of people from them community where you choose, we are set it so. Like how Britain saying the other day, the RAF now black people, so them sees recruitment of any other nation. White people are protesting in Britain. And to think of it, it's like say, I don't know what go on with the success, how much success they have with recruiting black people, but we just know say right here, no white people are rebel because they must say racism that against them. Anyway, yeah. So it's a case where we could have used them standard too. I mean, this is what is desirable or desired. It's detrimental because the nation need development, it need growth, it need, you know what I say? So, no guy couldn't stop you from, well, and so what that company you want 30 people, we have to take 10 from Portland, 10 from St. Thomas, 10 from Kingston or St. Andrew. You know, see it? And make them work, yes, so. And with the company them across the country, we do the same thing. You see it, and everybody have a food, and they eat a food, and every little community here and there, I get a little benefits from the development. You know, see? Anyway, some of the goods where we are expecting to see the brand Usain Bolt on, you know, the iconic, yo Bolt, yo youth, you done the world. Not tell a lie, you know. Not tell a lie. I say, anybody who want Vex, Puma, Adidas, Nike, any one of them want Vex, the coat is there. The big coat of international espionage is there, my general. Any one of them try anything, I pay them, I compare you because you work, genuinely work for yours. You're the authentic. You're the authentic thing. The whole of them are copy, carbon copy. None of them never enter or be involved in any form of sporting nothing. Yet still them have the biggest sport brand them. You know, see? So just imagine where a dignitary, a hero, I mean, a trendsetter. There is no other like Usain Bolt, and none to come. None. Why that man is not deserving of having his own sport brand? You know, see? Come Nike, make a boycott you. Make black people boycott you. Come Puma, anyone want to challenge this? You know, see, yeah, we're ready, Rasta. Anyway, back to the I'm excited. You know, I love glasses. So, the facts are well, and sunglasses, he will be making sunglasses as well. You can imagine me, I'm making sunglasses with a little tiny bolt up in a corner here. So, people run off at the market and we promote brand, black people. You know, see, and a brand promote we. We wear clothes, and the clothes wear we. You know, see it? Jewelry. So you can imagine all the decent little chain with a one Usain Bolt, don't get so a pose and thing like that. Yeah, everybody, ooh, it's not gonna want one of that. Yeah, prove say, I mean, them chain that, them thing that for prove status. What more significant than an iconic, one of the most iconic athletic, physical, human being by a thing for prove your status, who is your strength. You know, see, this is all symbolism in a Rasta. It's all symbolism. You know, one of the most popular pendant is a lion. Symbols of strength. You know, see it? Bags. Me nah buy no more till Bolt won't come. I hope Bolt have some neat little one like them, yeah, with him thing engraved in a leather. Like we don't want nothing where I go rub off. We know Bolt, no, Bolt a standard gentleman anyway, high standard man. Yeah, we see that. Them man, they, yeah, so we nice. Wait, yeah, bring me back, come general. You see, one of the most exciting time. I'm not know for control emotion, and I know that. I'm in a business response to nobody what think or feel. You see, she bun shame and pride, boy. You know, say, yeah, I'm excited, Rasta. I'm give thanks. The bag them want me, you know, yeah. Sporting goods, yeah. Anything sporting board, anything, every and anything at your arena, that you control this up. You own that area. I want to if you make football boots, board, them sell. Cause I know Raheem Sterling are going to endorse that. At that him I go kick ball, you know, every Jamaican come and play football. And again, we tell you, youth, if you know what you a trendsetter. Usain Bolt, which bigger trendsetter we have really existing and living today in the flesh? You! You! Can you imagine you being the ambassador to your own products? You know? And on a side note, I wish you retain some of them work in a Jamaica, like some of the production work and things. Remember down a free zone, you still have the facilities them down there from back in the day where they used to make Nike and Puma and them thing they down the bowl, the machine them, everything down the same way. I don't think them sell them. Even if them sell them, come on, the infrastructure still there. You know, call in some investors. You know, see, yeah, Just like how China bring for them sweatshop and business going down the Rasta. Me sure right now if you pay the people them better than way the car center them pay them for make some shoes and jewelry, them proudly do it. And you'd never hear a complaint from me, because I know say you're one of the most generous human beings we ever lived. You hear that? You don't see it. So we not gonna go around that our company. We know for a set of trend and say people work for $5 and make a build this into $1 million industry and want to start get $10 or $15. All if it fail, everybody satisfied with it can contribute. A Usain Bolt, man. A Usain Bolt. No, the restaurant and the sport bar cars, you don't know that already established that thing we both love. Restaurant and sport bar. Music should be, music is a hobby, Rasta. You love your hobby too much, like you spin gig, like over their country, I cut out gig out a tree, and them think they ought to go have a tree and make some of the toughest gig them and spin them in a boy gig head, and then sit there. You reach to the level where music coming like one of them little pastime, the one of them little hobby them, brother. Yes, I. No disrespect. No disrespect. No disrespect. You know, I'm not gonna say, but I leave the music because I hear thing that music come like religion. Hobbies coming like religion. Some man personal things about I leave a man. Whether it's not about failure or success in that area when it come out to a hobby. You know see. But you see him both, you don't feel like a dad who his son just passed all him subject them or everything when him study for a university and thing like that, and I graduate in the day. You know, I graduate yesterday and thing like that, and we are talking about it today and the plans them we are going to make for the future. This is how I feel genuinely. You know, see it, I am really elated. You know, I'm over the moon. And the other day, I'm son, I show some disgust regarding the, you know me, I say, enough people, I say, the man sign contract with them. Hey, screw that, the man bigger than Puma. I want to know. The man bigger than Puma. Not do that, my family, man. Come on, man. Man bigger than Puma. Jordan was bigger than Nike. Remember Nike, him signed a contract with Nike, you know. And when him ready for building more than Jordan, then he have a little dispute. Any? Yeah. With Jordan bigger than Jordan, one of the biggest thing on the market now today, my general. You know see it? And you still have Nike Jordans, innit? And Nike still make a mad piece of food off of them thing where them are going with over there, sir. Now make no man come set no limit. For us as a people, we have been limited all our lives just that. You know, see, you see that we are carrying the donkey burden and we are set the trend on people, everybody else. I mean, it's like reggae music. You know, see, since the inception of reggae music, you have some super rich people out of reggae music. And none of our artists them cannot, or none of our players them, local players them in the music, whether it be produced or what, none of them can show the level of success where the music generate. None of them can. You know me I say? It's like kind of them people you created. You see it? And yet you have people in it where it's quite successful. So we don't want that with Usain Bolt. We don't want to hear a couple of years down the line we hear what Usain Bolt could have did do from what him couldn't did do. And at the same people them where hold them in a subjugation, I go expose and attack them sort of thing like a brag. We not sit back for that. We are demand. You know, we are demand. Yeah, we can't bad up with boss or not like that. But what we are demand, I feel him own benefit. It's a grow in a profit as well. And I just say we are come stretch your hand to the boss. You know see it? Yeah. Straight, Rasta. You know see it? And if you have to add little badness to it. No, we're not this too. We're not bring no badness to both. The people that beat me, sit with that beat me and take away whatever implement of badness or instrument or we have to make you feel like so bad. We know that to happen. Yes, I. So give thanks. Big up yourself, Mark Springer. Anyway, there. Inspirational you. Like I say, anytime I raise my general, I always hit on some treasured discussion. This is what I say, yes, I. And that's how we did pick up so hold on, but Usain Bolt and way man dealing. This is what I say. Yeah, and that's how we pick up that. From them energy there, we pick up that. You know see? And yeah, we give thanks. We give thanks a whole bunch, Rasta. And for wake up this morning and see the tweet say Usain Bolt as seek the copyright, ownership right of his brand, you know, the iconic pose where make after winning a race, or yeah, you know, it's one of the most pleasing things we ever see, and it's an example to other athletes and people who are come out of the STEM as well. You know, see, as a brother, we always a set example. But once again, you know, there is no words cannot describe the pleasure I and I feel, and I ask for the support of the wider community, black community as well, for help make this a reality. Let's help make this a success to the best. You know, you see it. And as soon as something come out, we're available to myself, I'll be first in line. Save up my money. I'm there in a line. I collect whatever Usain Bolt have out there for sell, Rasta. And you know, and me alone share them sentiments. A whole heap of people in the thing feel the same way I do. And I have to inspire no one to feel that way there. You saying, boy, that. You know, see, the man will loved by the world and loved by everybody. You know, see, including myself. So, I give thanks. You know, see, I give thanks. I give thanks, Rasta. Yes, you know, see, I walk one particular start do some Rasta at you now. You know, yeah, but something that way could I do, you know. You know, say, yeah, I have a Rasta at design where I willingly, gladly give to the eye, quickly, for the eye, for bring the thing on the forefront, cause I know nothing that. You know, see, you know what, I'll drop it in your DM, cause you know business, I saw what things still. I'll drop it in your DM, you know, see it, explain the design to the eye. So, once again, my people, we give thanks. I look forward to my Rasta at somebody make Usain Bolt see that video, your Rasta start, make some Rasta at. Them don't have to be red, gold, and green, you know. Them not have to be red, gold, and green. You can have some red, gold, and green one, yes, but you can also have some different color one. I wonder if I should give me design or do it myself. Anyway, we give thanks. Share, like, and subscribe. Rastafari.